Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Ambreen Saeed. I'll be training you today about micro teaching in the classes. आप already काफ़ी माशाल्लाह intelligent लोग हैं, working in the schools as teachers, as mentors. So आज की strategies actually will be about focusing on speaking. हमारा बड़ा ये dilemma है कि in Pakistan we never focus or we never take English as a second language. We always work on this subject as a subject, you know. So this time in single national curriculum, they have added this strand, which is about speaking and listening, right? It's 1 + 1 = 2. So listening and speaking will be helping you out in oral communication. ठीक हो गया? You can see all these things. Can you see the colors? Who's going to tell me the colors? Yes. How many colors do we have? 3 colors. Are you sure? Yeah. Look around. How many colors do we have? Can we count them? I said look around.
There are so many colors.
There are so many colors, right? So here today we will be focusing on how to involve our students, what kind of strategies to use to involve them when they listen to you carefully and then they speak. All right? So you can, you know, make the ground rules. आप बना सकते हैं कि हाथ खड़ा करेंगे तो आवाज़ सुनी जाएगी, लेकिन अगर हाथ नहीं खड़ा करेंगे तो वो सबसे पहले आके बोलेगा. You know, so nobody can hide behind. They need to be part of the community to learn the language. Okay, so what do we mean by oral skills? Anything that comes in your mind, oral skills.
Related to speaking.
Related to speaking, very good point.
Related to uttering words, whatever we utter is oracy.
Exactly, yeah, whatever we utter, what kind of a pronunciation sometimes we use, that is oracy, yes.
It's again something you speak and listen.
You speak and you listen. So ये थोड़ा सा हम इसको इसलिए कर रहे हैं टीचर्स कि आपको जब आप क्लास में जाएं तो you should be clear in your mind कि आपने बच्चों को बुलवाना है, लेकिन बेसिक चीज़ जो जहन में रखनी है, only one. If they need to speak in English, they must think in English. They cannot translate their Urdu language into English. गलत बोलेंगे, okay with it, ठीक है? आपने उनको encourage करना है. So let's start with today's activity. Let's have a warm up. अपनी क्लास को जगाने के लिए आपने मुझे बहुत ध्यान से सुनना है. You need to listen to me very carefully whatever I tell you to do, and do that. Initially, I'll be slow. Gradually, I'll take a fast pace. Okay? I'll knock this bottle once, and you'll stand. I'll knock this bottle twice, and you'll sit. I'll knock this bottle thrice, and you'll close your eyes with your hands. Only 3 instructions. Who's going to repeat the instructions? On a knock off bottle, once, what will we do?
We'll stand up.
We'll stand up. When I bang the bottle twice,
We'll sit down.
we'll sit down. When we bang the bottle thrice, we will close our eyes
With our hands.
with our hands. Am I clear? Sure? Should we start? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I would like to have the feedback from you.
Yes, it's very good activity.
You need to focus to listen. Do you understand? This is what micro teaching is all about. If the teacher has got the focus, that teacher can make the student to focus, give them chances. I did not stop on the first mistake. I did not stop on the second one. I gave you 5 to 6 times the chances to try to listen. So should we do it again? On 3? You remember the instructions?
Yeah.
I did not tell you to remove your hands from your eyes, guys. So this is how you develop the focus. You need to focus on the instructions while telling them to listen to the instruction very carefully. So definitely when we practice, we will be improving on the actions what we are going to be doing. If you could look at the board, who is going to tell me about this game? What is this game? नेम प्लेस थिंग. सब सारा बचपन गुजर गया नेम प्लेस थिंग खेलते हुए, राइट? क्या अच्छी बात थी इस गेम के बारे में?
Alphabetically, we get vocabulary.
Yes.
Right? And we get knowledge.
Yes.
When we do not have any word, we have to find it.
Excellent.
We got to know new words. So that was about knowledge.
Yes.
And thinking skills were there.
Excellent.
Sense of competition.
Perfect.
I don't have an idea about this game.
Okay.
Leading to developing
Or
developing our concept as well as developing our vocabulary.
exactly. It has vocabulary in it. It has thinking skills in it. It has the exploration ability in it. You know. But most of the most important thing is we give you thinking time. This is again the second tip. To improve the listening and the speaking, you always give thinking time to your students. एकदम से rush नहीं कर देना instructions का, जैसे मैंने अभी किया. Can you see? I kept on banging the bottle without even thinking कि हो सकता है उठने में किसी को वक्त लग रहा है, इतनी देर में उसको second instruction मिल गई. ठीक है? So all these things are oracy related activities. आप इनको कर सकते हैं. This is all about listening. Now we come to the speaking point. Name place thing. Who is going to read alphabets all at once? And I'll say start. You'll start saying the alphabets. I'll say stop. You'll stop on whatever letter you are. Okay. Start.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Stop.
G, H.
H. So I am going to count till 15 in a slow voice. You need to think of one name with H, one thing with H, one place with H. Yes?
Halima. The thing is.
No, I did not start it yet. I did not. I am going to say go and then you think. When I'll say stop, then we'll start. Okay? On 3, you will start thinking. On stop, you will just stop thinking and I will, call your names. 1, 2, 3, start with H. Stop. Name.
Harun.
All 3 things. Hurry up.
Think head and place Holland.
Excellent.
Name.
All 3 things with H. Hurry up, hurry up.
Halima. Place Hungary and think hat.
Haris, hockey stick, Hollywood.
Pass. Hamid, Hyderabad or hookah.
Excellent.
Hamid, handbag, and place is Harunabad.
Excellent. Again. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Pass.
Name is Hamna. Place is Hungary and thing with H. H is hat.
Excellent.
Okay, Haya, hunting gun, and place is Hafizabad.
Again.
Hashim, Hen, and Harunabad.
Excellent.
Hadran, Ujrasha Mutim or Halwa.
Excellent.
Harun, place is hub, and the thing is
Hurry up. Move on. Hurry up.
Hafsa. Think is hookah and place is Hyderabad.
Name is Hamdan and
Stop.
Hifsa,
Hadi,
Amidullah,
Habib,
Hamida.
Husna.
Hania.
Hakim,
Stop. What did we learn?
Think.
What did we learn?
Vocabulary, listening.
We were listening to the other and at the same time we were thinking to think something differently.
Excellent. Teachers, see, you are coming up with the suggestions and you are telling me what you were doing. You already are there, but we just have to focus on incorporating all these skills into learning English. And were we thinking in Urdu or were we thinking in English? How many of you? It was a blend. And we will be bilingual while doing that. All right? So this is how you start this brain machine to work, to listen, to speak, to listen, to speak, to listen, to speak. That is all about how you stay active. Can you see this bottle in my hand? Yes. I will spin the bottle. Name, place, thing. Letter H. I've given you the grounds. You have to speak for 15 seconds on anything. Could be a name, could be a place, could be anything, right? जिसके तरफ ये बोतल रुकेगी वो 15 सेकंड उसके बारे में हमें बताएगा. ठीक है जी? 15 सेकंड. Only 15 seconds. Anything you can choose, one out of all. Okay? I've given you the letter. I've given you the instructions. I've given you the all time slot and everything. All right? We have 3 colors here. You can work in pairs. You can join the chairs. I'll make it easy for you. Hurry up. Join your chairs, everyone. Keeping the SOP in mind. Keeping the SOP in mind. Okay? So green team, red team and black team. I'm going to spin the bottle. Ready? Green, H. I'll say go and your time starts. Decide. I'm giving you time, please. Discuss on which you want to talk and who is going to speak. On 10, I will call the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Excellent. We've got good students. Clap for him.
Ahmedabad is a city which is
माइक पास कर दें.
ऐसे खड़ी हो जाओ. चलो थोड़ा पास आ जाए सर जी. चलें जी. ओके, I'll say go and you'll start.
Speak loud.
Go.
Ahmedabad is a city which is a agrarian city and known for its sugarcane, wheat and tobacco, and it's situated near
That's it. Done, please. Okay. Second team, let me spin the bottle again.
What's the name?
It will repeat it. I'll switch. Ready? Should we start?
Yes.
Are you all with me?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay, I'll give you just 5-6 seconds to think about it.
We're already ready.
Come please. Who's going to come and speak?
Yes. Okay, there's a place named Hollywood. I like that place a lot and I want to have a visit to USA and I want to go to Hollywood. There are other cities also, but as the name is starting with H, so I would like to tell you about Hollywood. It's an industry, film industry, world's biggest film industry, and I really would like to visit the place.
Stop it. Excellent. The last chance. So I think we should start with this team so that everybody get an idea that what we are doing. Please. Who wants to come? Great. That's called dedication and motivation. Yes.
The thing that we have selected, both of us, we have selected the thing is halwa, and it also starts with H, and it is, I think, one of the favorite desserts of all Pakistanis. There are different type of halwas. It is carrot halwa. It is like besan ka halwa. It is suji ka halwa, and it is prepared differently. Har ek usko different.
That's it. Thank you so much. So we got to know about Hollywood. What else did we get to know? Halwa, the sweet dish. We got to know about a city, right? So randomly you selected the topic and you spoke. This is all Oracy is. Make them speak, make them communicate, make them talk to you. आप उर्दू में बात करते हैं वो आपको जवाब देते हैं. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता gradually bring them towards this language. And it's all about fluency, accuracy. But both these skills and competencies need one important thing. you need to be receptive. You need to be encouragetive towards, you need to encourage them. You need to tell them that there is nothing wrong and right in the language. Just come up with something and talk to me. I'm all ears. I'm here to listen to you. All right? I hope this is going to help you out. And since this is, as I already shared, that this is the first time ever that in national curriculum they focused on this RSC department, oral communication in English. So let's, join hands and make this nation proud that they are Urdu speaker, but they're there for the second language too. Thank you so much.